About to take traction control all the way off, see what we could do. Finally got a little bit of rain, guys. Unfortunately, it dried up a little, but I'm gonna be driving right now anyway, so hopefully if the road's a little wet, we can see what these R888s could do. But you guys know the whole spiel, man. Like the video if you like the video. I appreciate that a lot, and it really does help a lot with the growth of the channel, and the more we grow, the better content I'm gonna be able to bring. So if you guys enjoy, go ahead and like the video, hit that sub button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. I appreciate it. All links are down below in the description for any of the merch and for anything I use and recommend, anything you guys need, man. All social platforms, all down below in the description. But without further ado, let's get this thing going, man. See that young SR Tizzle. Hey, a little vibration in the precipitation. Like every sender. And I never scramble. Unfortunately, the rain cleared up a little bit. We do got some clouds. Beautiful, man. I love it. You know, as car people, naturally we don't really like the rain as car people in general, but me personally, I love the rain, man. And just, you know, beauty like that, you know, just the clouds, man. If you guys really pay attention and look, I don't know, man, I'm not gonna get all deep with you guys right now, but shit is beautiful, man. Make sure you guys take in the beauty of every day. You know, take the time to see the beauty and stuff. That's when you can feel more gratitude, and things will start coming together for you. I mean, look at this. Beautiful. Notice the little details. Make sure you guys live in the moment, man, as much as possible. That's like really the ultimate goal, because if you think about it, most of the time, you know, we're zoning out, thinking about other stuff, thinking about the past, thinking about the future, all of our goals. But really, we never think about right now. And you hear it a lot. A lot of people talk about it, man. And it's the truth. It's the truth. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. It's about seeing how these R888s do in the rain. And as you can see, there's still a good amount of clouds out, so hopefully the rain does come back today. If not, it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. I'm gonna go hard with these R888s in the rain and really see what they're all about. When you're in a lowered car and you come to like a park or something, or just an apartment complex with a lot of these damn speed bumps, shit takes forever, man. We out here, you know, gotta get some stretching in. They're over here playing 21. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we can do, man. You see I got the mids on. Oh shit, almost fell. Get these little stretches in, man. Everybody be hating on the mids, but hey, on days like this, they come in handy. You see it, man? All right, well that didn't last long. As you can see, we got some rain, but that's the good thing, man. We needed to get this video in anyways. So I wasn't able to get a lot of ball in, but we're about to find out how these R888s do in the rain. Let's get it, man. I mean, I ain't getting no spinach right there. I was going easy on the first one, you know, just to see what they all about, but wasn't that much spinach right there. We about to see though. It's starting to come down a little better now. If you guys have any experience with the R888s, you know, let me know down in the comments. Did you end up like dude in that Mustang video? You guys see that TikTok where he was showing the tires? I think there was probably like some Mickeys or something, some type of slicks, and he said these are the best tires for the rain. And then they cut to the next scene and dude's Mustang is totaled. So I ain't gonna take the freeway. I'm gonna take a little back road. I figure that's probably a better place to test these out. I ain't gonna go on the little canyon run that I usually go on. 5 minutes later. I like my car, man. I'm trying to keep it. I don't need views that bad. Hey. See, try a little 40. traction control came on a little bit on that one. Come on, bro, what you waiting on, man? God damn, all these people that don't know to fucking drive. I wish you guys could see behind me because that looks dope. Big hookage. Big Captain Hook right there, man. Is that a thing with Mopar people? Because I used to ride a bike, you know, and everybody that rides a bike knows when you see another biker, you know, you let the hand down. Some people, you know, do that, but your hand will probably fly back in the wind. So we let the hand down like this. When you pass another biker, you know, that's just common courtesy. Everybody does it, and if you don't, it's kind of like, all right, fuck you then, bro, what the hell? I don't know if that's a thing with Mopar people or not. I always say what up. I know what I said about not coming to the canyon run that I usually do, but you know what, man? It's still slick, but it's not raining crazy. So, you know, let's just see what these, I'm not gonna go crazy, you know, because like I said, I want to keep my car, but let's see what these things could do, man. Let's test them a little bit, you know, have a little bit of fun. Got a little loose right there. Hey man, if that don't pass the rain test, I really don't know what does. So I mean, I don't really gotta even say much. I let the driving do the talking. If you watch that and say the R888s aren't good in the rain, then I don't know, man. I was going easy on it. Fuck, I got a lighter down there, that's why I don't know where it went, but hey, those things handled. I got a little loose back there when I switched gears. I think, I don't know, I don't know how fast I was going, but I just let off a little bit and it was good, man, it caught. Of course, they're not the best tire in the rain, but I feel safe. I feel big safe, bro. I'm over here doing what I want in the rain with some R888s. You know, obviously I'm not gonna turn right here and just punch the gas, but I wouldn't do that on a dry day. I mean, I'm really driving it how I want right now and I ain't having no issues. About to take traction control all the way off, see what we could do. Bro, that's with traction control all the way off. I just went from second gear, I think I was at 40, and we didn't spin whatsoever, not even a little bit of spin. I was waiting for the spin to happen, but it never happened, bro. So I don't know, man. Traction control is completely off. You just see me take it off and still haven't had any issues. Let's see, we'll try it again. they're handling pretty fucking good if you ask me, man. Should we try a little lightweight dig? We don't want to scare nobody. I mean, we pretty much figured that would happen. I don't even know if the best tire would stick on a rainy day, you know, from a dig, especially in this car. I mean, it's hard enough on a dry day to get it to stick with the dig, let alone a wet one. And I punched it on that one too. I didn't like go easy or nothing. That was a first gear pull from 20 and still no issues. We'll do it again. 20 miles per hour, first gear. I mean, it helped me out a little bit. I don't know why it still does that, even though you guys seen me take traction control all the way off. Sometimes it does that. Hey, so I really ain't got much to say, guys. I came into this video not really knowing what to expect. I would say I was leaning more towards them not doing so good, but honestly, they surprised me. They were doing so good in the beginning when I first started testing them. That's why I was like, you know what? Might as well take them on that little canyon run I usually do. And bro, I mean, obviously I was going a little bit easy, but I was doing pretty much what I wanted. You know, I didn't feel like I was totally restricted and I had to like be super light on the gas pedal. I've traveled around people that, you know, had Mickeys in the rain, and they, you know, once it started raining, they're like, oh shit, bro, you know, I got to get off the streets, like that type of action. But obviously these ain't like Mickeys. But man, these tires perform well. They passed every single test that I put them through. They passed the rain test. They passed the track test. We still got to do a dig. We still got to do like an official dig race with another vehicle, and that's coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But bro, they passed every single test I put them through. Roll testing. Now we got the rain. I mean, these things are dope, man. They don't cost what they do for no reason. I'll tell you that. But man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for always coming through and kicking it with me. To all my new people, man, if you guys enjoy the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. If you guys enjoy the video, like it, you know, hit that like button because it helps out a lot. It really does, guys. I appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, man. Tell me what your guys' thoughts were of the R888s and how they performed in the rain from what you guys seen. Like I always say, all links are down below in the description for anything you guys might want or need. So go hit up that description and check it out. There's a lot of stuff down there. Still got that PlayStation 5 giveaway going on. It's going till the 30th. I will be announcing the winner at 3 p.m. So go hit up the Instagram and check that out if that's something you want to get involved in. But until the next time, I'm gonna see you guys soon. Who is LouieXIII? LouieXIII Gaming checking out. Salute. Clean. That shit could be clean. We fixed it up. Out here on a rainy day. Take the dog out, man. The spoiled dog, she don't know what to do on a rainy day. Next dogs that I have are gonna be more towards outdoor. They're gonna be indoor dogs, but more towards outdoor. This is an indoor dog that's kind of been sheltered, you know? She didn't get out too much, so now she's high maintenance. She's bougie. She's a bougie dog. My next dogs are gonna be like wild animal type, you feel me? But they're gonna be indoor, but you guys know what I mean. Coming girl or what? But she don't know what to do. Don't get me wrong, like she's an explorer, you know? She's killed possums in the back all the time. She's always chasing rats and stuff. She's a great guard dog, you know? She's with the business, but when it comes time for stuff like this, she don't really know what to do. Huh, girl? Come on. Come on. Getting ready for that McGregor fight, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be a banger. Oh, hold up a minute. Yes, sir, you guys see it, man. Dirty, but still looking purty. Corny ass. You so corny. Yes, sir. Loving it. Different type of energy right here, bro. Here we go, baby.
A few moments later.
Bro, what the fuck?